Chile Island, the unique watercraft experience. Chile Island is a one-of-a-kind watercraft that blends the comfort of a lounge chair with the excitement of an electric boat. Designed for two, it's perfect for those who want to relax and enjoy a fun day on the water without the effort of pedaling or rowing. One of its standout features is the palm tree-shaped shade, which can be adjusted to shield you from the sun. There's also a built-in bottle cooler to keep your drinks cold while you float. Navigating the water is effortless thanks to a trackball control system. Paired with a powerful Torpedo electric motor, Chile Island lets you glide smoothly for up to 6 hours. Ideal for beach resorts, hotels, lakes, and other water-based destinations, Chile Island offers various models and customizable options to suit your preferences and budget. More than just a boat, Chile Island transforms a day on the water into a luxurious and effortless adventure. To its automotive-style seating and dashboard, it's also more environmentally friendly than a jet ski, quieter and using less fuel. And here's the best part. The Wokart is available at an affordable price of just $9,800. Production is already underway, so order yours now and get ready for the ultimate water adventure. Jet Capsule GTF, a revolutionary watercraft. Design Studio's Pier Paolo Lazzarini has crafted something truly unique, the Jet Capsule GTF. GTF stands for Gran Turismo Foil, and it's not your typical yacht. It's been dubbed a flying spaceship on water, thanks to its advanced propulsion system. At just 10 meters long, this compact yet powerful watercraft is a marvel of engineering. With an impressive power range of 880 to 1,200 horsepower, it offers multiple propulsion options, including diesel, gasoline, or even a fully electric version. The Jet Capsule GTF's twin hydrostatic transmissions give it an extra boost of power, allowing it to cruise comfortably at 35 knots. But when you push it to its limits, it can reach an estimated top speed of 60 knots, making it one of the fastest watercrafts of its kind. Built using a blend of carbon fiber and fiberglass, the GTF is not only lightweight but also durable. Inside, it offers a fully customizable interior. Whether you're using it for leisure or business, you can configure the space to suit your needs. It can accommodate up to 10 passengers for a relaxed, luxurious experience. However, if you're running a business, it can hold up to 20 passengers, making it highly versatile. This innovative yacht shows how new methods of water transportation are transforming the way we move people and goods across water. The Jet Capsule GTF is a perfect blend of style, speed, and practicality. Gibbs Bisy, the motorcycle that transforms into a jet ski. Imagine riding a motorcycle that can transform into a jet ski in seconds. Meet the Gibbs Bisy, a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the thrill of both land and water travel. It's the world's first of its kind, offering the freedom to cruise highways, explore coastlines, or hit the waves, all with a single vehicle. The Bisy is powered by a 2-cylinder petrol engine that delivers 55 horsepower, both on land and water. On the road, it can reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour, while on the water, it cruises at a solid 37 miles per hour. The transition between land and water is seamless, thanks to its automatic coilover spring suspension. When you enter the water, the suspension retracts, allowing you to glide smoothly. For water navigation, the Bisy is equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system, ensuring stability and maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or riding waves, control is at your fingertips. The vehicle also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and handlebar steering for easy handling. To make the experience even more practical, the Bisy features both road and marine navigation lights. Whether you're riding at night on the highway or navigating in low light on the water, you're covered. Though the Bisy is not yet available for sale, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag of around $330,000. It's the ultimate amphibious motorcycle for those seeking adventure on both land and sea. Jet Shark. The Jet Shark is a groundbreaking subsurface marine transportation vehicle. It's an evolved version of the Seabreacher watercraft, designed to deliver a thrilling experience by combining the speed of a boat with the maneuverability of a submarine. This new model is significantly larger than its predecessor and is powered by a strong Kodiak Marine Corvette V8 engine, providing incredible performance on both the water's surface and below. Inside, The spacious air-conditioned cockpit can comfortably seat 4 adults. It features twin piloting controls at the front for easy navigation. The 2 large gullwing doors offer panoramic views, which can stay open for a relaxing ride or closed for high-speed underwater adventures. In terms of cost, the Jet Shark is expected to range between $200,000 and $300,000, depending on the selected features. Seabreacher, the ultimate watercraft experience. Imagine combining the thrill of jet skiing with the adventure of mini submarining. The Seabreacher does just that. This semi-submersible watercraft is designed to revolutionize the way we experience the sea. At its core, the Seabreacher is powered by a 4-stroke, 1,500cc supercharged Rotax Ace engine, developed by Innis Productions. Depending on your preference, this engine can be tuned from 230 to an impressive 300 horsepower, delivering even more speed and power on the water. What makes the Seabreacher unique is its ability to perform stunning acrobatic maneuvers. It can execute 360-degree barrel rolls, briefly dive to depths of 5 to 6 feet, and even launch itself out of the water. This dynamic design gives you a whole new way to interact with the ocean. Weighing around 1,450 pounds, the Seabreacher features a streamlined, aerodynamic body that is approximately 190 to 200 inches in length and 42 inches in width, making it as sleek as it is powerful. You can choose from several different models, each offering unique customizations. There's the Shark-inspired X, the Orca-like Y, and the Dolphin-styled Z. These customizations allow buyers to truly personalize their Seabreacher. As for pricing, the Seabreacher starts at around $85,000, but depending on the features and specifications you choose, prices can go well over $100,000. It's a high-end watercraft, but for those seeking the ultimate sea adventure, it's worth every penny. Ubot Works Nemo, your personal submarine adventure. Imagine piloting your own personal submarine, effortlessly gliding into the depths of the ocean. With the Ubot Works Nemo, you can explore the mysteries of the underwater world like never before. This groundbreaking submersible is lightweight, compact, and reasonably priced compared to other options. The Nemo comes in 2 models, a 1-seater priced at €545,000 and a 2-seater priced at €590,000. It holds the distinction of being the world's only series-produced submarine. The Nemo can dive up to 100 meters deep, powered entirely by batteries. One of its standout features is the 360-degree view of marine life, visible through a spherical acrylic viewport. This seamless design offers an immersive experience of the underwater world. The Nemo is also designed for convenience. It has a single lifting point and several deployment options, making it easy to handle. Plus, its unique Manta controller allows you to share the thrill of piloting with your fellow explorers. Adaptable, user-friendly, and packed with features, the Ubot Works Nemo takes ocean exploration to a whole new level. Wan Carver X, a thrill machine and electric surfboard. Are you a thrill seeker who loves carving waves at high speeds? Meet the Wan Carver X, an electric surfboard built for adrenaline junkies. With a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, the Carver X is designed for any water condition. Thanks to its dual-jet propulsion system and 10 kilowatts of power, it offers unmatched performance for those who like to push the limits. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just someone looking for excitement, this board delivers. The Carver X comes with 2 batteries, chargers, and a wireless controller. You also get a few extras to make your surfing experience unforgettable. Choose from 5 different power levels to adjust the pressure and customize your ride to match your style. The average battery life is 35 minutes, and a full charge takes 2.5 hours. The board itself is 240 centimeters long, 70 centimeters wide, and weighs 43 kilograms with the batteries installed. Its sleek design perfectly combines elegance with high-performance capability. Made from durable, lightweight materials, the Carver X is stable yet maneuverable, ideal for any skill level. And transporting it is a breeze with the included backpack, leash, and toolkit. All of this comes at a price of $7,150. For those who crave excitement on the water, the Wan Carver X is the perfect companion. Wokart, the ultimate water adventure. Imagine sitting in a water go-kart, but with the speed and thrill of a jet ski. That's what the Wokart offers, a unique watercraft that merges the excitement of both. The Wokart is an innovative, asymmetrical design that combines power and precision. Its mid-mounted outboard motor allows it to accelerate like a rocket and perform sharp 90-degree turns with ease. This sleek machine was created by Dr. Albert Nazarov, an economist who challenged traditional maritime design and patented the Wokart's cutting-edge concept. Controlling the Wokart is simple and intuitive, thanks to its automotive-style seating and dashboard. It's also more environmentally friendly than a jet ski, quieter and using less fuel. And here's the best part. The Wokart is available at an affordable price of just $9,800. Production is already underway, so order yours now and get ready for the ultimate water adventure.